Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to share with you the easiest way to become a Satoshi millionaire. You don't need to be a financial expert and you don't need to times the market. These Satoshis could become your generational wealth, setting you and your family up for the future. Stick with me and I'll share with you and I'll show you exactly how you can start building your Satoshi stash today. Dollar cost averaging, or DCA, is a simple investing strategies where you can invest a fixed amount of money at a regular intervals regardless of the price. It's like setting a routine to buy bitcoins every week or month. By constantly investing over time, you smooth out the market's ups and downs, ensuring you don't buy too high or too low, but rather average your cost. With Bitcoin's price being so volatile, it can be tempting to try and times the market to wait for that perfect moment when prices are low. But the reality is it's nearly impossible to predict the right times to buy. That's why DCA is so effective. You let time in the market, not timing the market, work in your favor. So how do you actually use DCA in your Bitcoin strategy? It's simple. Decide how much you want to invest regularly, say $100 a month, and set up reoccurring buy. This ensures you're consistently buying Bitcoin no matter what the price is doing. For example, let's say you commit to buying $100 of Bitcoins on the first of every month. Some months, Bitcoins might be priced at $40,000. Other months, it could be at $50,000. Regardless, you're accumulating Satoshis over time and averaging your cost. It's the strategies, discipline, approach that make DCA so powerful. Remember, this is your accumulation phase. You're not a well with hundreds or even thousands of Bitcoin, so every Satoshis you stack now matter. Stay consistent and keep building. One of the best parts of DCA is that it works even better when prices dip. When Bitcoin's price drops, your fixed investment buys more Satoshis for the same amount of money. For example, if you're regularly investing $100 a month and Bitcoin drops to $30,000, you're getting more Bitcoins for your dollars now. Whenever you see price dip, celebrate. This is the perfect times to stack even more Satoshis. You're not a well with hundreds or thousands of Bitcoin. This is your accumulation phase. Every dip is a chance to get more value for your investment. Take advantage of these moments and keep stacking while the prices are in your favor. One of the easiest ways to make DCAs a part of your life is to automate it. Many platforms allow you to set up recurring buys so that your investments happen on autopilot. You can choose to invest weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, whatever works for you. By automating your buys, you remove the emotional stress of constantly checking the price and wondering if it's the right time to buy. It also helps to avoid the pitfalls of FOMO, fears of missing out, or panic selling during the dip. You just let your system do the work while you focus on the long game, which is stacking Satoshis. DCA is one of the most beginner-friendly strategies for accumulating Bitcoin. You don't need to be a market expert or tries to guess when the next dip or surge is coming. By investing regularly, you'll naturally take advantage of the market volatility, buy more when prices are low and less when prices are high. These strategies work for everyone, whether you're just starting out or you've been in Bitcoin games for a while. The key is consistency over time. DCA helps lower your average cost and put you in a better position for when Bitcoin's price rises again. This is your accumulation phase, so take pride in stacking Satoshis consistently. Every little bit adds up, and as Bitcoin grows in values, so will your stash. Now that you understand how powerful and simple DCA is, the next step is to start. Set your budget, pick a schedule, and stick to it. Remember, the goal is to accumulate Satoshis over time without worrying about price swings. With DCA, you're building wealth steadily, and in the long run, that's what's matter. Guys, if you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button and give it a like. Start your DCA journey today and let's stack Satoshis together. Alright everyone, thank you for watching and I hope to see you in the next video. Last word, hold it tight and stack it right. Take care.